Here's how to install your new Fillmaster reverse osmosis system. First, make sure you have all the tools you'll need. This includes a drill, a 1/8" drill bit, a 1/4" drill bit, a 1 1/4" hole saw, a Phillips head screwdriver, and an adjustable wrench. The first step is to attach the cold water line adapter. Turn off the water and disconnect the cold water line. Next, attach the cold water line adapter included with the RO system. Reattach the cold water line to the cold water adapter. Then turn the water back on. The next step is to install the filter manifold. To do this, place the manifold where you'd like it installed on the wall and mark your drill holes. Using an 1/8" drill bit, drill 2 holes into the wall. Place the screws in the holes, leaving about 1/8" space between the screw head and the wall. Mount the manifold onto the screws and place the manifold cover onto the manifold housing. The next step is to connect the water supply to the manifold. To do this, insert your line into the upper left port. Take that line and connect it to the cold water line adapter. The next step is to install our drain saddle. To do this, use the included drain saddle to mark your pilot drill hole. Use the 1/8" drill bit to drill a pilot hole. Then use the 1/4" drill bit to drill the main hole. Install the saddle valve. Make sure the port on saddle connection lines up with the hole in the sink drain. Next, let's install the air gap faucet. To do this, use your 1 1/4" hole saw and drill a hole into the sink. This may require some effort. Once the hole is complete, insert the lines from the air gap faucet through the hole and beneath the sink. Mount the air gap faucet loosely on the sink. If required, attach the included spacer to ensure the air gap faucet is properly mounted. Attach nut. Then, attach the included washer above the spacer, tightening the bolt until everything is snug. Attach the water line adapter to the air gap faucet. Connect the blue water line to the water line adapter. Let's connect the manifold to the tank. Insert the black water line into the lower left port, and then attach to the water line adapter at the top of the tank. Let's connect the air gap faucet to the manifold and the drain saddle. Connect the blue line from the air gap faucet to the lower right port in the manifold. Let's connect the orange line from the air gap faucet to the upper right port in the manifold. Lastly, connect the red line from the air gap faucet to the drain saddle connection. The filtration system is completely installed. Now it's time to flush the filters. Turn on the water line. Turn the air gap faucet on. Let the filters flush completely, which may take 3 hours or more. It is very important to follow this step so as no carbon dust gets through to the water dispenser. Let's connect the water filtration system to the water dispenser. Take the white water line and connect it to the water line adapter coming out of the right bottom port. Drill a 3/8 inch hole into the wall and feed your water line through that hole to the dispenser. Next, connect the water line to the dispenser. Now, let's turn on the water and check for leaks. If you should find any leaks, first turn off the water and then make sure your connection is secure. You should also check at this time that any blue fittings are secure around any water connection points. Your RO system is now ready to use.